Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn with Amna, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. And hi, everyone. It's so good to be here with you all today. How are you, Emma?
I'm great, Daniel. Thank you for asking. I'm feeling very happy today. And you?
I'm doing wonderful, thank you. I have a big smile on my face today. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. The sun is shining, and it really makes me feel good.
Me too, and that's a perfect start for our topic today.
Oh, yes. Today we are talking about something very special. We are talking about gratitude.
Exactly. Gratitude, it's a simple word, but it is so important.
It really is, and before we start, everyone, please subscribe to Learn with Amna and give this video a like. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do, and share this episode with your friends and family. Let's spread the good feelings.
So, Daniel, let's talk about gratitude. What does it mean to you?
That's a good question. For me, gratitude is feeling thankful. It's saying thank you for the good things in my life.
I like that. Thankful is a very nice feeling. So, what are you thankful for today, Daniel?
Well, like we said, I am thankful for this beautiful day, and I am also thankful for my cup of coffee this morning. It was so good.
A good cup of coffee is definitely something to be thankful for. And today I am thankful for my breakfast. It was really yummy.
See, gratitude can be about small things, the little things in life. What else are you thankful for, Emma?
I am thankful for my family. I love my family very much, and they are very good to me.
Yes, family is so important, and I am very grateful for my family and my friends. I have wonderful friends.
That's so true. Good friends are a gift, and it feels nice to have people who care about you.
It really does, and it makes life better. So what about something bigger, not just small things?
Something bigger, yes, I am thankful for my home. It's a safe and happy place.
That's a big one. A home is a wonderful reason to be grateful, and I feel the same way. I am also very grateful for my health.
Me too, being healthy is so important because when we feel good, we can do many things.
Exactly, we can walk, run, play, and even learn English.
Yes. Learn English. I am very grateful for learning because I love learning new things. It makes my brain happy.
A happy brain is a great thing. It helps us grow.
What about you, Daniel? What is something big that you are grateful for?
You know, Emma, I think about this sometimes, and I am very grateful for life itself, just being alive.
Wow, that is very powerful. And it's so true. Every day is a new opportunity.
It is. And I am grateful to God for giving me life and giving us so many opportunities to be happy and do good things.
That's a beautiful thought, Daniel. And it's important to have faith.
It really is for me. And I am also very grateful that God sent his son Jesus to us. Because of Jesus, we can have salvation.
That is very special. Thank you for sharing something so deep and personal.
Thank you, and it makes me thankful for everything else too, both the big things and the small things.
Are you grateful for nature too, Daniel?
Yes, very much. I am grateful for trees, flowers, and all the beautiful colors in nature.
Me too, and I am also grateful for animals. I have a cat named Luna, and she makes me smile every day.
That's so sweet. I have a dog named Rocky, and I am so grateful for him. He is my best friend.
Pets really bring so much joy into our lives.
Is there a sound you are grateful for, Emma?
Yes, I think I am grateful for the sound of rain because it feels calm and peaceful.
I love that. And for me, I am grateful for the sound of laughter,
Laughter is a wonderful sound. It means happiness.
especially the laughter of family and friends. It's the best sound.
So, Daniel, how can we practice gratitude every day?
I think we can start by saying thank you more often. Two small words, but very powerful.
Yes, we can say thank you to the shopkeeper, the bus driver, or a friend who helps us.
It makes other people feel good, and it makes us feel good too.
Another idea is to think about three things you are grateful for every day.
Yes, before sleeping or when you wake up in the morning, it starts your day in a positive way.
Today, I am grateful for my bed, for music, and for this conversation with you.
And I am grateful for the sun, my breakfast, and talking with you, Emma.
Gratitude helps us see the good things in life, even on difficult days.
Yes, it's a choice, and it's a happy choice.
One last thing I am grateful for today is our listeners.
Yes, thank you all for being here. You make Learn with Amna possible.
Before you go, please subscribe to Learn with Amna, like this video, and share it with someone you care about.
And in the comments, tell us one thing you are grateful for today.
Thank you so much for listening.
Stay positive, take care, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye bye, everyone.